Alright, we're moving on to the next part of my second The Things That Made Me video. This one is the music trivia piece. So if you go to the post called Cool Story Bro, there are 5 different files I want you to download. Good Times Song is a song called Good Times. That's right. So click my downloads. Where's it going to go? Right up there. Next one is called Chic Studio, which is another video clip for you. Click on downloads. Next one's called John in Blue. This is the bass player, John Deacon from Queen. So bring this concert video up, download it. Then Bohemian Scene. We're going to use a scene from the Bohemian Rhapsody movie where they talk about recording Another One Bites the Dust. Download that. Then Cool Story Bro is a graphic where Queen is in the studio and then I flash those words on the screen at the end. So I download that part. All 5 are right here. Alright, let's move the stuff from the downloads to your video folder. So if you click on downloads, all the things that I downloaded today are right here. I'm going to drag them to my video folder. Hey, take a minute and double check your video folder. Make sure it's not in the C drive. But I'm going to grab them one by one. Good Time Song, Hour 1. Chic Studio, Hour 1. John in Blue, Hour 1. Bohemian Scene, Hour 1, or whatever hour you have me, right? And then finally, Cool Story Bro. And then when you go to your video folder, they're all right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now the 5 clips that we just downloaded, we need to put them into Rush. So you want to go to your left hand side. See the plus sign? This is where you add your media. So if I click on plus and I'm adding what? My media, which is going to be in my media folder, right? So I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to go to my drive. My folder is called Hour 1, right? Right. So I double click. I know I want Bohemian Scene. Click it. That's number 1. And it doesn't matter the order. I want Chic Studio, I want Cool Story Bro, I want Good Time Song, and then I want John in Blue. So these are selected to come into my media for this project. So if I click Add, it imports everything, and the files are all here to play with. And once you click it, you'll see the number 1. This is the file you want to add. So right at the end of those 3 beats, right before the next audio clip starts, put your playhead right between these 2 because we want the song to come in right here. So move the playhead to the end of those 3 beats, and if you need to zoom in a little closer with the circle on that slider to make sure that's where you are. And let's double check it.
Attention, and they don't let go.
And they don't let go. That's the end of that dialogue section. So we put the playhead right after that clip and then hit add. And for some weird reason it moves it at the end of this clip. So we want to add it right after those 3 beats. Talky, talky, talk, talk. And they don't let go. Let's check it and make sure that that's where the song starts.
Best bass lines ever for the song Good Times. It starts with those 3 beats. They get your attention and they don't let go.
I want to move it forward to right before when they start singing. So when does that happen? There, so I'm going to back it up like a couple of seconds before they start singing. And a secret, if you put the blue playhead right where you want the video to start, go to the beginning. If you get close to that start point, and remember the start, when you get close with your cursor, it's going to show the playhead going forward. I'm going to click and hold, this is my pointer finger, on the left mouse button, and I'm just going to scoot it forward. And it should start right before they start singing. Let's check it with those 3 beats.
Those 3 beats. They get your attention and they don't let go.
Cool. Now, let's fade in the music so it sounds better. So I'm going to click on the song, and this is your audio button. So if I click on that, to detach the audio until I fade it, I'm going to right click, which is middle finger on the right mouse button. I'm going to separate the audio. Now let's see if we can fade it, because we want it to fade in and fade out. I'm going to right click, which is middle finger on the right hand mouse button. I remember to fade things in. It is a transition. It's a crossfade. It's a dissolve. Can I grab the dissolve and put it at the beginning of the song? Good Times? Let's see. Cool. And then I can just click. If I want to make it longer, yeah, why not? And see how it works.
They don't let go.
I'm going even longer. So we get that smoother fade in.
Don't let go.
What if I trim it back to give myself a little bit more room? Then make that dissolve longer.
And they don't let go.
All right, that is a lot of work for 1 minute of video. What do we have so far? Let's take a look.
3 legendary songs all start with the 3 little notes that could. Actually, it's the same note, so it's more like 1 note 3 times. But this story starts with a guy named Bernard Edwards, who played in a band called Chic. In 1979, he created one of the funkiest bass lines ever for the song Good Times. It starts with those 3 beats. They get your attention and they don't let go.
Good times.
That's everything up to this point. Tomorrow we'll learn a new skill and how to add narration and turn down the music so we can hear the talking above the music and have 2 things going on at the same time. This will be fun. See you then.